Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Mountain animals. Mountain animals. Snow leopard. Snow leopard. Mountain goat. Mountain goat. Himalayan tar. Himalayan tar. Chamois. Chamois. Ibex. Ibex. Mountain lion. Mountain lion. Bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep. Red fox. Red fox. Golden eagle. Golden eagle. Alpine marmot. Alpine marmot. Tibetan antelope. Tibetan antelope. Yak. Yak. Pika. Pika. Mountain hare. Mountain hare. Doll sheep. Doll sheep. Black bear. Black bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Eurasian lynx. Eurasian lynx. Tibetan mastiff. Tibetan mastiff. Andean condor. Andean condor. Wallaroo. Wallaroo. Marker. Marker. Takin. Takin. Cicadere. Cicadere. Snowshoe hare. Snowshoe hare. Rock ptarmigan. Rock ptarmigan. Alpine ibex. Alpine ibex. Red deer. Red deer. Eurasian red squirrel. Eurasian red squirrel. Mountain goat antelope. Mountain goat antelope. Himalayan black bear. Himalayan black bear. American badger. American badger. Common raven. Common raven. Yellow-billed cuckoo. Yellow-billed cuckoo. Horned lizard. Horned lizard. Mountain chipmunk. Mountain chipmunk. Alpine newt. Alpine newt. Great horned owl. Great horned owl. Mountain vole. Mountain vole. Common kestrel. Common kestrel. Eurasian eagle owl. Eurasian eagle owl. Blue jay. Blue jay. Marmot. Marmot. Snow bunting. Snow bunting. White-tailed deer. White-tailed deer. Ground squirrel. Ground squirrel. Altai argali. Altai argali. White-tailed ptarmigan. White-tailed ptarmigan. Sable. Sable. Goral. Goral. Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal. Bearded vulture. Bearded vulture. Tibetan antelope. Tibetan antelope. Mountain zebra. Mountain zebra. Snowy owl. Snowy owl. Himalayan brown bear. Himalayan brown bear. Roe deer. Roe deer. American pika. American pika. Rock wren. Rock wren. Horned lark. Horned lark. Alpine chough. Alpine chough. Alpine salamander. Alpine salamander. Rock hyrax. Rock hyrax. Tibetan wolf. Tibetan wolf. Indian star tortoise. Indian star tortoise. Wild boar. Wild boar. Patagonian fox. Patagonian fox. Andean fox. Andean fox.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.